Okay, how's it going, guys? Real quick today. Just making sure we understand. Today is our first chance at the Give Back bundle. I got it on screen here. It's $25, pepperoni, 3-meat treat, crazy bread, crazy sauce. Sold for $25. $5 goes to the organization that we're partnering up with. In this case, we are partnering up with the U16 Soo Ice Hawks, which is a ringette team here locally. Again, every customer that comes in and orders this bundle, whether they know that they're ordering it or not, to be honest with you, I'll talk through the scenarios real quick here in a second. We're going to offer this to them. They're going to buy it for $25. We're going to cut a check back for $5 for every unit that we sell, every bundle that we sell to the team. It's a really easy fundraiser for the group. All they basically have to do is take the creative that we've established, send it out to their parents or whoever is involved in their organization, have them send it to anybody that wants to support them. And as long as they come in and buy it on this day only, on Wednesday, they will get the check cut back to them for whatever it's worth. That being said, if you are a front, please make sure that you are upselling this. We want to give back. We want to give this ringette team as many dollars as we possibly can. And let anybody else know that is possibly involved, or even one of your teams that is involved and needs a fundraiser. This is a great way to do it. It's super easy from the team's perspective. It's actually super easy from our perspective. It's things that we hold hot and ready, so we're used to it and we're able to do that. But again, we have to make sure that we are holding it hot and ready. So today we're holding a 3-meat and a pep, obviously the bread and the sauce all day long. Fronts are upselling that, saying, "Hey, would you like to make this bundle to give back to this community team?" And then the other side of that is at supper time, we want to make sure we just up our holds of 3 meats and pepperoni and definitely bread. We don't want a lobby full of people waiting to get this because they've walked in and expected to access it. So please make sure that happens. Now, in the event that somebody comes in and orders 2 pizzas and a bread, offer it to them. Say, "Hey, I got this bundle. It's $25, a great deal, and $5 gets kicked back to the organization." They might move over or not. Again, we want to try and get as much money generated for this team, and then every other time we run it for whatever team that we run it for. Okay. If you actually punch this in at the till fronts, you're looking at a difference of 50 cents. It comes to or not even. I think it's like $24.57. If it's punched in at the till, it's $25 just to make it even from a marketing perspective. So again, if somebody's just even ordering this, just say, "I'm just punching it in this bundle. Is that cool?" Obviously, they're going to suggest yes, and away we go. That being said, as far as the schedules are concerned, things running fairly smooth so far. Unfortunately, we've kind of right-sized our group. We've got to the point where not everybody is still involved. I am actually going to do some hiring. I did some interviews yesterday. I'm doing some more tomorrow. We're getting ready for spring. There are going to be some opportunities for some people that are on this call, on this video, and our existing staff to move up. And we have some big shoes to fill as well. So we're going to take care of that very shortly. So please be prepared for that. If I tap you on the shoulder and ask to meet with you, it's a good thing. And if you're interested in either a supervisor position or, excuse me, even a bigger role in our crew, please reach out to me in the next little while, because I'm going to make sure that training happens before we get into heavy spring, which means our volume goes back up and we start to roll over, and we want to be ready for that. So we're kind of getting ahead of it this year, which is great to be back and be in that position. Outside of that, there's this Quattro is going well so far. Fronts, bump your number. Sell as many Quattros as you can. The top 15, I think, or top 10% of stores in the country. That store gets gift cards provided to them by the company, so there's a little incentive there for the staff to push the Quattro. But numbers aren't terrible to start. Again, please make sure. Waste is a little high. That's because volume's a little low. Please make sure that you're really adhering to your lobby and understanding what your holds should be. But we're sticking with this. We're going to keep the large, keep the LTO, keep the 3-meat, and obviously keep our pepperoni, wings, boneless, etc. Be careful with, but don't not hold. And like always, guys, keep your stores clean. Stay on those cleaning schedules, temperatures, rise point, etc. For those of you that are involved in that. And like always, be a good teammate. Keep the promise. We'll see you in store. good luck tonight with the Give Back bundle and moving forward as well. Thanks, guys.